Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon funds for indigenous communities. When I first started researching how to truly make an impact in Amazon conservation, I kept hitting the same wall. Most traditional funding barely scratches the surface. The indigenous peoples of the Amazon are, without a doubt, the most effective guardians of the forest. Studies consistently show that areas managed by indigenous communities have significantly lower rates of deforestation. Yet, less than 1% of global climate funding reaches them directly. This disconnect is the crucial problem we have to fix. Through my own experience learning about the different mechanisms, I realized that the best funds aren't just about planting trees or buying equipment. They are about empowerment and direct funding. You want to look for funds that are indigenous-led or operate in close, accountable partnership with indigenous organizations. One model I found particularly compelling is the indigenous-led fund approach. A great example is the Podele Fund in the Brazilian Amazon, created by the Coordination of the Indigenous Organizations of the Brazilian Amazon, or COIB. This model ensures that the resources are managed and distributed according to the community's own priorities and cultural protocols, promoting self-determination and political agency. Another type is the Amazon Defenders Fund, like the one run by Amazon Watch, which is an activist-led, rapid response solidarity fund. What I appreciate about this model is its flexibility. It channels quick funding to frontline communities for emergencies like illegal mining threats, wildfires, or legal defense for land rights. Often the first line of support when urgency is critical. And finally, a model focused on securing land tenure, like the work done by the Rainforest Foundation US with local partners. They focus on helping communities obtain official legal title to their ancestral lands. From a financial perspective, this is a high-impact, preventative investment. Once the land is legally titled to the indigenous communities, they have the legal standing to protect it, which is arguably the single most important factor in long-term forest conservation. In short, the best funds are those that shift power and resources directly to the people who are succeeding at conservation, the indigenous guardians. Look for transparency, indigenous governance, and a focus on self-determination, not just external projects. That's where the real, lasting financial impact is made. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.